Hey guys, Ty here from CheersAll.com. Today I just want to talk to you about why you should pour your beer into a glass. Many times you'll be at a party and it'll be very tempting to drink it out of a can or right out of the bottle. But drinking it out of the glass actually improves the flavors that you get from your beer. So you'll get more aroma, you'll get a bit more flavor, but also it will reduce the bloated feeling that you get from drinking beer. So to demonstrate what I'm talking about, if you ever go to a party or a bar, you might see somebody pour their beer like this, and this is the way I poured beer for years. And you think like, okay, great, I got the perfect pour. It doesn't foam over, looks great. But there's problems with that, and I'll show you the difference. So the way that you actually should be pouring your beer is to start actually with that. This one, no, there. To start with the pour down the side, but then to open it up and pour it right down the center. With a bit of a vigorous pour so that you get a bunch of foam developing, and then that'll give you your head. Now you'll have to wait a bit longer to start sipping your beer, but the reason that you'd want to do this is all that CO2 that you see released in the glass here, if you drink it like this, that's going to release in your stomach. So you see when you start eating or you add more beer, all that foam starts coming out in that beer. Now if you look at this glass, if I keep doing this, you'll notice that there's no more foam developing. So the foam doesn't get any bigger, it's already released, as opposed to more and more in your stomach. So that's just why you ought to use a beer glass, and hope this has been helpful. Cheers! I need to find like where to look. I don't like looking at you because that just seems creepy.
And the audience.
You're my audience.